Men over 30, your body is changing whether you like it or not. And if you're making these 10 health mistakes, you're setting yourself up for a rough road ahead. But don't worry, because today we're breaking them down, backed by science, and showing you exactly how to fix them. Stick around because the last mistake could literally save your life. Let's be real. When was the last time you saw a doctor? Studies show that men are significantly less likely to get regular checkups, leading to late diagnoses of heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. According to research published on PubMed, early detection of conditions like high cholesterol and hypertension can increase life expectancy by years. Schedule that appointment. No excuses. You think you can survive on 5 hours of sleep? Think again. Studies show that poor sleep can increase your risk of dementia, obesity, and even heart disease. In fact, research suggests that chronic sleep deprivation may accelerate cognitive decline. If you want to function at your peak, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Metabolism slows down after 30, meaning that junk food you got away with in your 20s is now turning straight into belly fat. Studies show that high consumption of processed foods leads to obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Want to stay lean and energized? Cut the junk, up the protein, and start eating like a grown man. By age 30, you start losing muscle every single year, unless you fight back. Research shows that strength training not only preserves muscle mass, but also boosts testosterone and increases lifespan. Just 3 sessions a week can improve your metabolism, bone density, and overall performance. If you're not lifting weights, you're aging faster than you think. Alcohol messes up your liver, sleep, and even testosterone levels. According to PubMed, excessive alcohol consumption increases your risk of liver disease, high blood pressure, and even mental health issues. You don't have to quit entirely. But if you're drinking every weekend, you're doing serious damage. Moderation is key. Men are less likely to seek help for mental health struggles. Depression and anxiety don't just affect your mind, they shorten your lifespan. A study found that untreated depression increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Talk to someone, work out, meditate. Do whatever it takes to keep your mind strong. Testosterone levels drop naturally after 30, and your diet can make it worse. Studies show that seed oils, processed sugars, and soy-based products contribute to hormonal imbalances in men. Instead, focus on steak, eggs, avocados, and foods rich in zinc and magnesium. Your testosterone and your energy levels will thank you. Think prostate issues are just for old guys? Think again. Prostate cancer is one of the leading cancers in men, and it doesn't wait until you're 60. According to the National Cancer Institute, regular checkups can catch issues early, when they're easiest to treat. Don't wait for symptoms. Get checked. Would you drive a car without checking the engine? Then why go through life without checking your health? Blood tests reveal hormone levels, cholesterol, and warning signs for major diseases. The American Medical Association recommends at least 1 full blood panel per year. Don't wait until it's too late. The biggest mistake? Thinking none of this applies to you. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in men over 30. Obesity, stress, bad diet, they all add up. You're not invincible. The choices you make now will determine your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Start making smarter decisions. Your future self is depending on it. All right, guys, time to be honest. How many of these mistakes are you guilty of? Drop a comment below, and if you're serious about optimizing your health, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because at the Men's Tribe, we're building stronger men every single week. See you in the next one.